everyone! Welcome on this beautiful day. It has quit raining. Congratulations. Jesus has won. I got some pictures of some chemtrails this morning, and I kind of want to share them with you. Some sun rays from the other day's trip that didn't make it. My little girl took the pictures because I was driving, so I hope they're okay for you. I'll see y'all in I gotta make a video, okay? So think of it like a few minutes now could be your college education later. You know what I'm saying? Anybody?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, I hope you liked that. Those pictures were from like the old pictures of that incline train in like 1905 or yeah, and apparently glass was expensive. So there's a picture to show you, and thank you for going on this journey with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell all your friends to join. Let's do it. Bye.